My name is Kaelin. I got started with LadyBoss 2 years ago. I was laying in my bed, depressed, eating a bunch of food, and scrolling through Facebook like I normally do. And this energetic, bouncing blonde girl came up on my screen that happens to have the same name as me. I was like, oh, that's so cool. So I started watching her video, and she was like speaking to me. It was everything that I was feeling and that I wanted, but I wasn't obviously doing. And so I made the decision right there. I grabbed my credit card. I was still in bed. And I purchased LadyBoss, and I haven't looked back. It's been amazing.
It's amazing. Mm-hmm. Wow. So that was 2 years ago.
Yes.
Nice. So since then, I'm sure you've changed a lot. What's been your aha, or what's been your breakthrough, or maybe breakthroughs in that time?
I was surprised with how much I changed mentally. I knew the physical change was something that was going to happen, but my confidence level, my happiness, I'm always wanting to go out and do stuff when before I would shy away from it and hide in my little hole. And I'm just really surprised with how mentally I have changed. Like, I'm just a different person. I don't even remember the person I was 2 years ago.
Wow, that's amazing. So what would you say to someone who hasn't done this and maybe they're nervous, or it's like, LadyBoss, what's that? But they know they need to make some change, and maybe they're just like, I don't know if I can do it again.
LadyBoss is like the program you didn't know that you needed. And if you just break it down one step at a time, it's not a program that you have to be 100% perfect at and like all in, or that you get nothing out of it. If you learn piece by piece, and once you have one piece down, you move on to the next. Like if nutrition's something you struggle with, change that first. And then once you feel good with your nutrition, you add workouts in. And that's kind of what I did. I didn't jump into nutrition and workouts. I did nutrition for about 6 months, and I had results with that, and that made me want to try into the workouts. And once you start doing the workouts, you want to be even better with your nutrition, and it just bounces back and forth. And learning to be nicer to yourself is also a big step, and I learned that by the ladies in the group. If you post something, they're going to compliment you, they're going to make you feel good about yourself, and then you start to feel good about yourself, and you start to believe that you have made big changes, and that's awesome.
Oh yeah, I can do this.
Yes.
I do deserve
I
this.
did this, yes.
I did this. I'm doing this. That's awesome.
Yep.
Where do you think you'd be, honestly, if you hadn't joined LadyBoss?
I probably wouldn't be as happy as I am now. I made career changes. I got married. I'm 4 months pregnant.
Nice.
And I don't think I'd be anywhere near that. I think I would have lost a lot of friends. I was avoiding friends, not doing stuff. I probably wouldn't be with my husband anymore, just because I wasn't willing to put anything into the relationship because I wasn't happy with myself.
So what's been the most fun part of all this process?
Working out and meeting all the lady bosses. Just meeting the online community in itself. You made friends without even meeting friends, and that was really fun to me, to have people to relate to. And I fell in love with working out. I never thought I would say that. I love the gym. I actually get really upset if I can't work out, so that's been the most fun.